This video will guide you through resetting the oil life indicator on your 2024 Cadillac XT4. Resetting this is essential after an oil change to ensure the system accurately monitors your engine's health and prevents inaccurate maintenance reminders. We'll cover why this is important and the simple steps to do it yourself. The 2024 Cadillac XT4 uses an electronic oil life monitor, or EOLM, to estimate when your oil needs changing. This system monitors oil degradation based on factors like engine load and temperature, not just mileage. The oil life percentage starts at 100% after a reset and decreases over time as you drive. At 0%, you'll see a Change Oil Soon message, which changes to Oil Change Due when it reaches 100% depletion. Resetting the system syncs it after an oil change, ensuring accurate future monitoring. First, ensure your XT4 is in park with the engine off, but the ignition in the on position. Do not start the engine. Use the steering wheel controls or the touchscreen to navigate to the Vehicle or Settings menu. Look for options like Oil Life or Maintenance. Exact wording may vary slightly depending on your trim level. Once you've accessed the Oil Life or Maintenance screen on your 2024 Cadillac XT4, locate the Reset button or option. This is typically displayed clearly on the screen. Press and hold this Reset button or option for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. Hold it firmly until you see a confirmation. The system will confirm the reset with a message such as Oil Life Reset or a similar notification on the display. If using the infotainment touchscreen, navigate to Vehicle menu, then Maintenance, and select Reset Oil Life to complete the process. Before resetting the oil life indicator on your 2024 Cadillac XT4, there are several important considerations to keep in mind to ensure the process is safe and effective. First, only reset the oil life indicator after a qualified technician has actually performed an oil change. This ensures the system accurately reflects the vehicle's maintenance history. Second, ensure that the correct type of oil was used during the service. The 2024 XT4 requires specific oil grades like 5-Body30 synthetic, depending on your engine. Third, using the wrong oil can trigger errors in the monitoring system and may cause long-term engine damage due to improper lubrication or viscosity. Finally, ignoring any active diagnostic trouble codes can block the reset process. Always check for and address any DTCs before attempting to reset the oil life. If the reset fails, check your XT4's battery health. A low battery can sometimes interfere with the reset process. Also, check for any active DTCs, diagnostic trouble codes, as unresolved codes can prevent the reset. If issues persist, an OTA over-the-air update from Cadillac may be required. Or consult a certified dealer. Some 2024 XT4 models include the My Cadillac app for remote oil life monitoring and reset. This feature, introduced in mid-2024 and improved by 2025, provides convenient connectivity. The app allows you to view oil life status from your phone and initiate resets remotely. To use this feature, open the app, go to Vehicle Status, and check or reset oil life as needed. Check your specific XT4 model for this capability, as it's available on select equipped vehicles. Proper oil life resets prevent false alarms that can confuse drivers about when maintenance is needed. They ensure accurate tracking of future oil life, so the system provides reliable reminders based on actual engine conditions. And they can save you money by optimizing oil change intervals, avoiding unnecessary service visits. Future trends include increased digital integration, where vehicles connect to apps and cloud services for remote monitoring. AI-driven predictive maintenance will analyze driving patterns to forecast oil life more precisely. Vehicles will use synthetic oils for extended drain intervals, reducing the frequency of oil changes. By 2030, oil life resets may become fully automated through dealer software or AI systems, minimizing manual intervention.